Hey, what's up guys? It's great to see you back from another video today, so let's get started. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about the severe weather potential for today. Alright, so let's get right into the forecast really quick. We could have some major severe weather outbreaks later as well, so let's get right into the forecast. Alright, so we have a slight risk of severe weather, which is currently issued for, let's see, so most of Nebraska is under that slight risk of severe weather, and for some parts for southern Nebraska, or no, southern Dakota is under that slight risk, but it's mostly for Nebraska, only for the northwestern parts, and mostly a little bit for the mid parts of Nebraska is under that slight risk today, along extending with the marginal risk to North US as well. And we have another marginal risk of severe weather, which is issued for Florida, places like Pensacola Beach and Miami a little bit. And those are the places are the primary large population areas as well, and they're also under the primary threat of this marginal risk of severe weather. But our most primary threat is the slight risk, because that's the highest threat category for today. But let's take a look. What's the primary hazard threat today? Tornado threat remains extremely low again. It's only a 2% chance. You guys are like definitely safe. No need to worry much. It's only 2%. It's an extremely low chance, but it's still possible. Just still make sure to stay alert. I'm just saying this because it's extremely unlikely to happen, but it's still possible, alright? So just stay tuned on that. Let's take a look at the wind. So look, wind is our primary threat for today, alright? Because now with the slight risk of severe weather, the wind is all with the slight risk of severe weather, which is our most primary threat today. It's a 15% chance wind threat. We could see winds maybe up to like 60 to 70 miles per hour only, so we could see 80 to 90, but it's an extremely low chance. There's only a slight risk of severe weather. It's a 15% slight chance only. So we'll just see significant winds, but it's a low chance only. Alright? So just stay safe for the wind threat. That's our most primary threat today. And guess what? The hail threat remains extremely low. It's only like a 5% chance only. We are most likely not going to see hail, but these severe thunderstorms could produce hail, maybe just up to quarter-sized hail, so just stay weather aware for that. Alright? So this is our weather threat for today, and make sure you guys are all staying weather tuned. Alright? And let's take a look at the hurricane really quick, because Hurricane Genevieve has been going on for the next few days already. And so let's get right into it really quick, alright? Because now, guess what? Since Hurricane Genevieve has been lasting for like so many hours and a few days by now, the winds have, guess what, have decreased to 80 knots and 90 miles per hour only. Last time it was like up to 125 to 155 maximum sustained winds, which turned into a hurricane, which is still a hurricane with winds up to 90 miles per hour. And it's still gonna move northwest about 12 miles per hour, so like I said, please make sure to stay tuned if it could make landfall to Japan as the slowly storm surges. Alright, so, but one last thing I want to say about hurricane, I don't know how to say that, but over here, the hurricane we just had made landfall near Hawaii recently, and now it's like made like for some parts of Hawaii made landfall with the hurricane making landfall. And when the hurricane made landfall, this was storm surging, and then started cooling down like over this very small part over here, and then it's now hurricane, which we just recently made landfall over Hawaii, is gone right now. So today, make sure to stay safe with all the hazards today, okay? There's no major severe weather threats, only a slight chance. This is now just like to a Category 1 hurricane or a Category 2, alright? But just make sure to stay safe and for this Hurricane Genevieve in the high ocean seas, if you're like cruise ships or on like boat sailing or on vacation on cruise ships or anything, okay? Please stay safe. Bye.